So did you practice last example what I did? I created Linux machine on top of it, install and configure the Apache server, then we have hosted one application, right? Yeah. Did you
Yes.
subscribe for Azure free trial? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. No issues, right?
No issues, sir. No issues.
Okay, great. Now access the portal, portal.azure.com. Okay. Yeah. Now quickly go ahead and create one virtual machine. See, today I am going to discuss about what? Desk. Okay. So what is the desk, guys? Desk.
Storage.
Storage space.
Sorry.
Storage space.
Storage
Yes.
space.
Yeah. Desk is a storage entity. What is that? Desk is a storage entity. Okay. Yeah. So disk is a storage entity and it is used to store personal or application data. Personal or application data. There are two types of disk in the market. One is HDD, other one is what? SSD.
SSD.
Okay. So HDD what? Low cost, hard. What is the HDD full form? Hard disk drive.
Drive.
Okay. Yeah. Low cost. Next, low performance. Come on. What else? There would be a chance of corrupt your software, right? Coming to the SSD, the full form of the SSD what?
Solid
Solid
state.
state
State
drive.
drive.
Yeah. So it is the cost and high performance. If you install any operating system on top of SSD, 100% it won't get corrupted, guys. That's why I hope you know that nowadays we are getting the laptops with SSD disk. Am I right? Very
Yes,
soon
sir.
we can expect Ultra SSD. What is that? Ultra SSD. This disk will be available in the market in next 6 months. Clear? Yeah. So technology drastically changing. Nothing. We changes are constant. We have to adapt them. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Next. This is about what? Difference between HDD and SSD. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now I am going to create one first server. Okay. Web server 2023. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now choose Windows Server 2022. I am choosing Cloud Admin. Password SharePoint at the rate of 12345. SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Okay. Now select, hit done, review plus create it. Just create. Thank you. Okay, yeah, this is the virtual machine. Okay, by default, what is the size of OS disk guys for Windows machine? As I said,
127.
yeah, 127 GB. Okay, now try to access the VM. MSTSC, paste it, connect. Okay, cloud admin, SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Yes, access it. Okay, now go and verify. This is the OS disk. But default size of OS disk is 127 GB with Windows operating system. Okay, guys, this is the Windows operating system. Now I would like to create new disk. Okay, I would like to create new disk. How to create new disk? Now click on disk. Okay, yeah, try to create new disk. So this disk we will call them as data disk. Note it down. Data disk. Technically, to create any additional disk, we can call them as what? Data disk. Okay, how to create the data disk? Here, create and attach new disk. Okay, yeah, to attach new disk, to create new and attach the disk, maximum size would be 32 TB, guys. One disk, maximum you can allocate 32 TB. This is the maximum size of one data disk. Okay, like that, we can add a number of disks. Each disk would be 32 TB. Okay, yeah, 32 TB in the sense that is huge size. According to that, charges are applicable. Now create and attach new disk. See, the disk name is data disk. The disk name is data disk. Here I am giving size of disk would be 100 GB. What is that? 100 GB. Okay, have you observed the disk size is data disk? Okay, size is 100 GB. Okay, yeah, next apply it. Just apply. Okay, yeah. See, to create new disk, do you require downtime, guys? The question. To create new disk, do you require downtime?
No, sir.
Yeah, no downtime is required. Okay, yeah. So I have created with 100 GB hard disk. Now go to here. in the VM, expand it. See, when I go and refresh, that 100 GB data disk, whatever I have added, it is not replicating here. Okay, how can you reflect? How can you reflect newly created disk? Go to start button, right click. There is a one option called computer management. Okay, computer management. Okay, here we have data disk. See, it is here, it is prompting disk 2. Okay, have you observed? If you observe, see 99.98 GB. This is the 100 GB disk which I have created just now. Okay, now how can you initiate it? Just right click. There is a one option called new simple wallet. Yes, add. Next, always size would be converted into MBs, guys. Now, if people tell me 1024 MB equal to what?
1 GB.
Yeah,
1 GB.
1024 MB equal to 1 GB. Okay, 1024 GB equal to what? How much?
1 TB.
Yeah, 1
1
terabyte.
TB.
Okay, 1 TB. 1024 terabyte equal to
1 petabyte.
1 petabyte. Okay, here just to calculate it, we have allocated 100 GB. 100 GB into 1024. So total 1,02,400 MBs. Okay, now go here. See 1,02,386. So just there would be 8 MB gap internally. Our memory, okay, system memory, it will allocate it. That's why if we add any disk 100 GB, by default here it will display 99 GB. Remaining 1 GB system memory. Okay, internally it will allocate. Okay, yeah. See, click on next. Okay, already C drive is reserved and B drive is reserved. Remaining characters are displaying. Okay, so for newly created data disk, which character do you like to apply? Anything. So I am going to apply like S drive. The drive letter would be S drive. Okay, next. Okay, this is the H drive. Next, volume. By default, go to Computer Explorer. Okay, this PC. If we observe, here it is showing what? Label is Windows. Here label is temporary storage. Same way, we can add the label for our newly added disk. Okay, here I am giving data disk. Label name is data disk. Okay, click on next, finish it. Clear? Yeah, close, close. Now go to File Explorer. Windows C, this disk. See guys, here it is showing 99 GB allocated. Okay, what is the label did I provided? Data disk. Okay, now here you people can go ahead and create content. Just double click or right click. Okay, new folder, data disk. Okay, or else folder name is Microsoft. Okay, inside of the directory, you people can go ahead and create new files. Right click new text file. Okay, Azure. So here main thing is to create new disk. Do you require downtime?
No,
No
sir.
downtime is required. Clear? That is the important interview question. Okay. Yeah. Next. Assume that my OS disk is full. Okay. My OS disk is full. Justification or any software, by default, all application configuration files will go and sits on top of C drive itself. So if there are any lags by default, logs. Okay, if there are any logs by default, those
Excuse me,
logs
sir.
also would be
Your
stored in C drive
voice is
itself.
breaking.
Assume that my C
Your voice is breaking a bit.
is it audible, everyone?
Yeah, audible but breaking means frequently.
Sorry guys. Let me share my screen. I think you can see my screen, right, guys? No issues, right?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
are
sir.
able to see.
Now it is good.
Yes, sir. Now it is proper.
Fine. Okay. Let me access the server again. Copy MSTSC. Paste it, connect. Yes. Okay. Yeah. See, assume that my OS disk is full. Okay. So if OS disk is full, how can you expand it? You know, right? If you install and configure any software like Apache Tomcat server or WebLogic or WebSphere or any IAS server, any application and system related logs would be stored in C drive itself. Okay. Due to that, assume that my OS disk is full. Now I want extend the OS disk. Now if people tell me, do you require any downtime to create or to extend OS disk?
No, no, sir. Not required.
Okay. To expand or to extend OS disk, do you require downtime? Let us go and verify. What is that? OS disk. Yes, 100% we require downtime to extend OS disk. Okay, now navigate to disk. This is the OS disk. Click on it. Okay, yeah, there would be a configuration, size plus performance. Click on size plus performance. Okay, there is a option. See, by default 128 GB, right? Now, can I choose 256 GB? Yes, just highlight it. The moment when I choose 256 GB, immediately the save option is grayed out. Have you observed? Fine. Now again, another question is, current size of OS disk is 127 GB. Okay, but I have consumed only 10 GB so far. Now, can I downgrade this disk size? Like I want to go and sync that into 50 GB. Is it possible?
Yes, sir. It is possible.
How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Certified question it is. You will get the question like this. Can we downgrade the disk size than current size. Is it possible? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can shrink it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's not possible, guys. We cannot downgrade the disk size than current size. Okay. Why they have disabled this option is, for example, if there is a 127 GB is full data, if you try to downgrade it to 50 GB, remaining 50 GB, there would be a chance of losing your data, right? So Microsoft, that option is disabled. Downgrading the disk size is impossible. Okay, fine. Now what I will do now, this is existing size is 127 GB. Let me give 50 GB. What will happen? See, still the save option is disabled. No option. Okay, now present size is 127. Can I go and type it 130? No. So can I change it to 200? No. So here we required what? Downtime. We required downtime. Okay, now what I will do is just close, go to overview, stop the VM. Just stop the VM.
Hello, sir. Are you speaking? I'm not.
Nothing. Just
Okay.
it is stopping. Yeah.
Sir,
Okay,
how
it has
about,
been stopped. Yeah.
sir, how about the data? Now we are moving from 127 to 256, right? Suppose if there is any data in 127, what will happen to that?
Nothing will happen. Actually, you will not lose any data. You are
Okay.
extending the existing disk, right?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. If data is full, your
Hmm.
virtual machine won't be respond, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Next. Now, go to size. Sorry, disk. Okay. Navigate to OS disk. Click on size plus performance. Size plus performance. Now I am going to expand to 56 GB. Yes, save option is enabled. Okay, assume that real usage size is assume that 50 GB, but OS disk is 127 GB. Still there would be 50 GB free space. Now what I will do now, I will go and change it to 64 GB. The moment when I choose 64, immediately save option is disabled, grayed out. Clear? Please remember, there will be some confusion questions. These are, remember it. Okay. Now I am going to allocate, what is that? 256 GB storage. Yes, save it. Updating the disk. Updated the disk. Now close. Close. Okay. Now start the VM. Okay, right? Yeah. Now refresh one time. The virtual machine still it is starting. Yeah, meanwhile, copy this IP. Go to remote desktop, paste it, connect. Okay, yeah, SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, connected. Okay, yeah, next. Go to File Explorer, Windows E. Okay, yeah, this PC. See, still OS disk, it is showing 127 GB only. How can you expand it? Just right click on Windows button. There is a one option computer management. Okay, now click on disk management. Right? Yeah, next. Expand it. Have you observed here 127 GB plus 129, total 256, guys. Okay, here it is showing unallocated. Okay, unallocated in the sense, just right click on here. There would be one option called extend volume. See, extend volume. Next, 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 next. Now close it. Go to File Explorer. Now here you could see 256 GB storage for OS disk. See, 256. As I said, 1 GB it will allocate for our system memory, internal memory. Okay, yeah. So this is about what? How to create new disk and how to extend existing OS disk. Okay, again I'm asking to extend the OS disk, do you require downtime? Yes. Okay, to create new disk, new data disk, do you require downtime?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
No. Again, another question. To extend data disk, do you require downtime? So here, yes, downtime is required. Downtime is required. Now, if people tell me to extend, what is that? Data disk. Okay, do you require downtime?
No, sir. No.
No, sir. Because
Yeah,
you're adding
no
the
down.
data to the.
Yeah, no downtime is required to extend data disk. Okay, yeah. Now let us go and verify. Now navigate to disk. Okay, navigate to disk. Go to data disk. Okay, go to size plus performance. Yeah, see, I am extended to 256. The moment when I choose higher level, still it is showing what? Save option is enabled. Okay, the disk size is existing 100 GB. When I go and change it like 50 GB, see immediately save option is disabled. So what does that mean? We cannot downgrade the size of OS disk or data disk, both. Okay, yeah. So this time I am giving 200 GB. Just save it. The moment if we expand any data disk, OS disk, additional charges will be applicable.
Sir, now it is taking 200 or 256 is selected.
200 only.
Only 200.
Yeah, 200. I will show you. You can provide your custom number as well. Existing sizes would be 4, 8, 16, 32, 128, 256, 5, 112, right? Okay. If you want, you can choose it, or else just choose your custom number. Okay. Here process is in progress. Updating the disk. Still it is updating.
Refresh the Azure portal once.
Sorry.
Refresh the portal itself sometimes.
Yeah, we'll go and check. 100 GB on it is showing. Virtual machine. Web server. Okay, desks should change. So it is not asking any downtime. Okay. So meanwhile, you people can open computer management, right click on computer management, desk management. Okay, here it should prompt like 100 more GB. $99.98 GB, 100 more GB should be reflect. Let us check. Yeah, successfully it has been updated this time. Okay, leave it, refresh one time. See, now it has been updated 200 GB. So did I stop the VM? No, right? Did I take the VM into stopped status? No. Okay. Did I power up the machine? No. Okay. Yeah. Now just refresh one time. Right click and refresh. Or close the window. Reopen it. Okay. Now navigate to this PC. Right click. Desk management. Expand it. Have you observed this time? Existing size is 100 GB. Allocated size is 100 GB. Total 200 GB. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now right click. There is a what? Extend volume. Okay. Next. Finish it. Why? Because we are attaching additional volume that side. Now refresh one time. See guys. Now it is reflecting 200 GB. Okay, so to create new disk, no downtime is required. To extend OS disk, downtime is required. To extend data disk, no downtime is required. Okay, yeah. Next, another important feature here is what is the current size of virtual machine? 2 CPUs, 8 GB memory. Okay, I am not happy with this size. Why? Because I feel that the performance is very low. Now I want extend to 4 CPUs, 8 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM. Okay, to extend or to change this size of virtual machine, do you require downtime?
Yes, we require downtime. Yeah.
Yes, we require.
Yes, sir, we require downtime.
Yeah. Best example, even our laptop. Consideration our laptop itself. Assume that already we had 8 GB RAM. To extend 16 GB, what they will do? They power off your laptop, then they will remove the existing RAM and they will give the 16 GB RAM. So where exactly we require downtime, same funda. Okay, now navigate to the size. Okay, current size is 2 CPUs, 8 GB memory. Now I am going back to 4 CPUs, 14 GB memory. So the moment when you change the size, immediately even cost also would be changed. This is 16,797. Hourly basis would be calculated. Okay, now resize it. Yes, resize. See, this is the VM, right? Automatically it will get shut down. See, go and verify. See, it has been resized. Now go to overview. Still it is showing 2 CPUs, 8 GB memory. Refresh entire portal. Yeah, see now here it is showing 4 CPUs, 14 GB memory. Clear? Now, can I downgrade the size of VM, guys? Assume that for month 16,000 I can't bear, I cannot pay. So I want to downgrade the VM. Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible. Yeah.
Like again 4 CPUs, 8 GB memory. Yes, it is possible. Okay, now do you require downtime to downgrade the VM size
Yes,
and
yes,
current size?
yes.
Yes,
We
we
require.
require downtime, right? Yeah. Next, navigate to size of virtual machine. Okay, I am back to what? 2 CPUs, 8 GB memory. Okay, the cost is again 5,503 rupees. Okay, now just resize it. Resize the VM. Yeah, again we require downtime. See, do you want to resize the standard DAS to? Yes. If the virtual machine currently running, changing its size will cause it to be restarted. Restart means it is the downtime. Okay, the changes whatever you made to reflect it, okay, it may require downtime. Yes, resize it. Yeah, resize the VM. Yeah, refresh one time. Total portal. See, two CPUs, 8 GB. Okay, now I hope you got an idea. So again, I am repeating to resize the virtual machine in both the cases, whether it is increase or decrease or increase or downgrade the VM size, we require downtime. To create new disk, no downtime. To expand OS disk, we require downtime. To extend data disk, no downtime is required. Okay, they are confusing questions. Please remember these 5 interview questions. Okay, yeah, next. Assume that, see, I have deleted accidentally. I don't know anything about Azure. Okay, accidentally, due to some pressure and all, I have deleted this VM. It will happen usually in real time, guys. Someone delete. If client is there, they don't know what they want to do. Simply they can click on delete it. Virtual machine has gone. Now immediately they will send out an email how I can recover it. Accidentally I have deleted. Now if people tell me, can I recover this virtual machine? Anyone?
Based on snapshot, we can do it.
Yeah, I do not have snapshot as well.
Then it won't be possible.
Yeah, it's not possible, guys. After deleting the virtual machine, it's not possible. Okay. Yeah. So if we have the backup, yes, from the backup we can restore it. So how can you implement the policies other people should not delete these virtual machines? When I try to delete it, it display you are not authorized person to delete this VM. Such way that I should restrict some policies. Okay, so the policies in virtual machine we will call it as logs. What is that? Logs. If you put log for virtual machine, you can protect your virtual machine from accidental deletion or termination. Okay, what is the feature? Logs. What is the log? Log is a feature in Azure. Using that, we can protect the resources from accidental deletion or termination. Okay, this log feature is there for every service in Azure. Every service in Azure. So how to implement the logs and how to protect the resources from accidental deletion or termination, that all we'll see next session. Anyhow, it has been deleted. No more virtual machine. If I go on VM, so there is no more virtual machine, Windows virtual machine. Okay, so tomorrow I will show you how to protect the VM from accidental deletion or termination. That we'll see next session. Okay. Clear?
Okay, sir. Sir, can
Yeah.
you please share those applications?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Last time itself I missed out.
Sir, one small doubt. The
Yeah.
disk extension and other things you have done it for Windows. Similarly, you can also show for Linux also, right?
Yeah, Linux, we have around 20 commands, guys. I will share the documentation. You can follow same thing.
Ah, okay, sir. Because the extension and all is pretty
Yeah,
difficult in
yeah, same. Yeah, Linux
Linux.
file system. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Let me share the link, documentation link, guys, once. So this is the Azure 2.0. Please try to download the document, guys. Please do not delete. Okay. Uh, I I pinged you the link. Yeah, this is the link. Okay, you people can create one WhatsApp group. Okay, add me into that. This is my WhatsApp number. So if you have any questions on that, you can ping me over there. Okay. Okay, create one WhatsApp group, share it to me next session or day after tomorrow session. I will share it in the chat so everyone will be there in the group. Okay. So here, this is the application, guys. First link is application. And when I click on it, so whatever the examples I shown you, all these applications are there. We have 2 or 3 I have shown you. Remaining are related to .NET and Java. That all I will show you coming sessions. Okay. Yeah. So practice it. If you have any questions, feel free and ask me in tomorrow's session. I will clarify your queries. Okay. After practicing. Yeah, thank you everyone. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.